Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed, and this is a final product. Okay, and this is a final product is discussed here, and this 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, this is a correct and okay, and this is a final product is available here, and all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, this right view, and all point is one by one is discussed here, and this is a final product, and this product is named a ball stud design here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is discussed here, and this product is this. Okay, this is a perfect and this looking perfect and all point is one by one is discussed here. Okay, this is a stud, this is a ball stud is discussed here. Okay, and this product is a very looking very nice here. Okay, okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part and click OK, and select a some important point is discussed here at first, and this image quality is very high because all body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and at first select a plane, and plane is a correct and this body is design. Okay, at first drawing this front plane is this, and then right plane is used here, and this front plane is used, and this is a hexagon. This is a 14.4 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use this select a hexagon is this. Okay, and okay, and this is a click and vertical, and all is perfect, and dimension is this is a 14.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a black color means this is a fully defined, and this is a okay, and exit and extrude boss. Okay, and then this thickness is a this thickness is a 4.5 millimeter, and this is a 4.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and this select a back side, and sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is diameter is 8.2 millimeter, and this length is a 22.4 millimeter, and this is a use a thread. Okay, and this is a 8.2 millimeter, 8.2 millimeter. Okay, 8.2, and use a 22.4 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and this is a extrude boss, and use this thickness, this is a high, this length is a 22.5. okay, 22.4 is 4. Okay, 22.4 is correct, and okay, this is a perfect, and one point is also discussed here. This is a this chamfer is apply here and 0.6 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this chamfer is this okay, and this is a 45.6 millimeter, and this is a okay 0.6 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and angle distance is okay, all is correct, and use this okay. And also this use this 1 millimeter is a okay, all point is correct, and next point is discuss here this and this high okay, this extrude boss okay. At first select a plane is right plane, and a sketch normal okay, and select a line is a this to this, and this to this, not any relation, and select any this, and this is a use a 3-point arc, and first point and second point is this is a this okay, and some point is center line and draw a this and 2 point is a select, press a control button and then use a tangent okay, all point is correct okay. And mention any dimension is a this okay, this is a 4.9 millimeter, and this 5.2 millimeter, and this 3.1 millimeter, this radius is 5.2 millimeter is correct okay. This is a 4.9 millimeter, this is a 4.9 millimeter, and this point 3.1 millimeter, 3.1 millimeter okay, and select a distance okay, this is a 5.1 millimeter okay, this is a 5.2 millimeter, 5.2 millimeter okay, and this distance is correct okay. And next is this radius is 5.2, this is a 5.2 millimeter is correct okay. And all is black color means this is a fully defined and all is correct and perfect okay okay. And select a exit and use a revolve boss base and select this okay, and all is okay okay, this is a correct. But some point is cut out, and use a isometric view normal okay, and some point is a select here a front plane okay okay, and right plane is better okay, and select this and extrude boss convert entities okay, and this line is a this okay, this to this okay, and use a this to this okay, and this point is also, and all is a trim, and trim is all is trim, and use this 1.6 millimeter is thickness okay, and this thickness is a at first drawing a center line Okay, this is at this point to this is a okay, and use a this is a center line is discussed here 1.6 millimeter is this. Okay, all is a this is fully defined because this is a black color, and use a extrude cut, and also easy select here a revolve boss base and select this. Okay, and exit, select a revolve boss base, and this is a this. Okay, and 360-degree angle. Okay, not perfect, but extrude cut is better, and use this blind and both side, and okay, this is a cutout. Okay, this is a perfect, and next and important is discuss here, and this is a thread is apply here, and all thread value is given here. Length is 18.5 millimeter and pitch is 1 millimeter and M7 offset is 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, and use a thread is this, and some point is discussed here. This is a 18.5 millimeter metric to die, M7 multiply 1 millimeter, and all is perfect and correct, and then use click this. Okay, okay, and offset is a 2 millimeter and direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a correct. Correct and perfect, okay, and some thread is a black color, means this is a black color. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and use a this is a brush bronze and use a nickel is this. Okay, this is a perfect, looking here. Okay, and isometric view is also drawing this. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process and all method is a learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.